Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and finance to make your digital journey smoother. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet to your bank account in 2025. If you've got USDT sitting in your Trust Wallet and you're ready to cash it out, you're in the right place. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for avoiding crypto volatility. First off, let's get started with the basics. Open your Trust Wallet app on your phone or device. Make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version for enhanced security features. Once you're in, navigate to your USDT wallet by selecting it from your asset list. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough USDT to cover the withdrawal and any potential fees. Next, you'll need to convert your USDT to a withdrawable form. In 2025, Trust Wallet has integrated with major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase for seamless transfers. Head to the Send or Withdraw option in your USDT wallet. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to account for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Now, for the key step: linking your bank account. Go to the Settings or Profile section in Trust Wallet and connect your bank via their partnered services. This might involve verifying your identity with KYC, Know Your Customer, protocols, which are stricter in 2025 for security reasons. Once linked, initiate the withdrawal by selecting your bank as the destination. After you confirm the transaction, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days to hit your account, depending on your bank's processing time. Keep an eye on transaction fees. They could be around 1 to 5% in 2025 due to regulatory changes. A quick word of caution: always use two-factor authentication and double-check recipient details to avoid scams. Crypto withdrawals aren't reversible, so stay vigilant. There you have it, folks. A straightforward guide to getting your USDT into cold, hard cash. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and keep building your crypto knowledge. Thanks for watching.